around, I can see future millionaires, yeah? People who are ready to, break barriers, get into new heights in terms of investments. And today we're only discussing money.
This conversation is coming at the backdrop of a very, very successful bull run. Since January, the market has returned in excess of 10% since January to yesterday. This is not just a challenge. We actually believe in the future of our nation that rests in our potential young investors. We have to create the future that we want now. So you will recall that last year, one of the strategic things we did is that we lowered your cost of entry into the market from a minimum of 100 shares to actually 1 share. Right now, with as little as 1 shilling, you can be able to participate in your investment journey.
Warren Buffett, who's one of our best investors, started at the age of around 14. He was making money on a newspaper run. And the few dollars he made, he started doing what? He started investing. I always tell people, it's not the little you earn, it's what you do with the little you earn. If you can't take care of 1 shilling, you cannot take care of 1,000 shillings. So let's talk about money. Let's stop fearing money as if it is a taboo.
Think of Kenya Power that is like 766%. So imagine if you had put in just 10K maybe for that particular growth. Think of other banking stocks that are up like 121%. Even bonds alone can't give you those type of returns, right? So, and my view has always been, if you start doing these things earlier and promoting that culture, there's a way it makes a shift in your mind around how to build wealth.
At NCBA, we normally say it's not about timing the market, it's a time in the market. Don't time the market, get a mentor, get a suitable partner, get a safe pair of hands, and agree to walk that journey with them, and certainly the yields will come through.
That's what we are doing in SokoPlay now. Instead of inviting somebody to go to invest directly, we are removing that risk of capital from you. You are playing around, competing with your friends all over the place. At the end of the day, that is actual data that M-Pesa and Safaricom are telling you about. So by the time they are going now to actual real wealth, to NCBA and so on, they are experts because they have seen all the risks involved.
So we are going to award the top 5. The person who comes in at number 5 started with a portfolio of 250,000. Do you know how much he finished with? 802,414. Now, our first runners-up, who was second, started with a portfolio of 250,000, and by the time he was done, he had made 1.1 million. Our winner started with a portfolio of 250,000, finished with a whopping 1.3 million shillings.
It was a really wonderful learning experience. The only advice I can give you, like the younger guys, maybe consider trading, consider investing. We still have a lot of time. I think the market is at a place where it's going to punish underperformance. So if you are really young, please strive to have a portfolio that overperforms. You can take on more risk, you have more time. If you make a mistake, you can learn and adjust your portfolio.
So now we'd like to launch officially the 2026 Investment Challenge with all our partners on stage. Ring the bell, let us launch the 2026 Challenge.